Here we go. Here's proof. We've got the Polk County snowplow coming down the highway on May 3rd, 2013. Hens are staying inside today too. They're not too excited about going outside in the wind and the snow. My ewes are in disbelief that it's snowing on May 3rd. Here they are all sheltered in the barn. Here's proof that it really is spring, because the forsythia is blooming even though it's snowing, and we've got some nice green grass here that in a normal year would probably be getting mowed about now. So here we are on May 3rd, 2013. A little hard to see what we have in the rain gauge in this snowstorm, believe it or not, on May 3rd. But there you have it. That's our rain gauge with snow on the northwest side.